Welcome to the Home Chef. Cabbage with mixed vegetables. Let's get started. Vegetables cutting step 1. Cabbage, 500 grams. Take 500 grams of cabbage, remove the outer leaves and give it a chop. Pour the chopped cabbage in a big vase that can easily hold it and keep the vase at a side. Carrots, 250 grams. Now take 250 grams of carrots. Wash them well, peel off the carrots, and dice them. Pour the diced carrots in another vase that can easily hold it and keep the vase aside. Potatoes, 500 grams. Now take 500 grams of potatoes, wash them well, peel off the potatoes and dice them. Pour the diced potatoes in another vase that can easily hold it and keep the vase aside. Cooking step 2. Set the flame to medium-high.
Cooking oil.
4 tablespoons. Onion, to medium-sized julienne. In a saucepan, take 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, heat it well and add to medium-sized julienne onions and stir-fry. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Give it a stir. Stir-fry the onion and ginger garlic paste until tender. Give it a stir. Tomatoes, to medium-sized. Add to medium-sized peeled off, diced tomatoes in the well-tendered onions and stir-fry. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon.
Ground cumin.
1 teaspoon. Ground coriander, 1 teaspoon. Red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Ground green chili, 1 tablespoon. Mix well and stir fry. Add a little water. Stir fry the ingredients until the spices leaves the oil. Add diced carrots. Add green peas. Add diced potatoes. Give it a stir. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Uncover after 5 minutes. Give it a stir. Add chopped cabbage. Mix well. White vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Give it a mix. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Coriander leaves, a handful. Give it a mix. Dish out and serve. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share this video, and leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.